Quick follow-up video to my video the other day about the fuel pump. Just going to do a really fast video on how to do the fuel filter on one of these. This is a 97 Grand Prix. If you didn't watch the other video, this is going to be really fast. I'll show you what to do. Okay, so the tools you will need: a 3/4 or 19 millimeter wrench, a 16 millimeter wrench, a fuel filter. Let's see if I can focus on this. A 13 millimeter socket. I'm using a swivel because it's easier to get to. And that is it. All right, looking under the car, here is the fuel filter. You're gonna use the wrenches to take this piece off right here. You're gonna need the socket to get that bolt out, then the entire thing will come down. And then that is the same kind of line as what's on the fuel filter. The fuel pump. So you're just gonna push those two plastic pieces together and pull that straight back. Once you get it out, you're gonna transfer this bracket from the old filter to the new one, and then the new one goes back in. Okay guys, and this is why you want to change these filters. Yeah, gasoline is not supposed to be black.